Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So I've partnered with UncleFunkysDaughter to bring you guys a very spicy hairstyle. So I'm gonna spice up my hair look using some of their products, and the products that I'm gonna be using is the Supercurl Miracle Moisture Cream. This looks like this. And the very awesome Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. So these products, along with Thirsty Curls and the Ultimate Kit, are available at CVS, so make sure you drop by CVS to purchase those items, and you can also use my code SUNKISSCURLS to get some discounts online on the UFD website. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do a part from ear to ear, a little bit before the ear, so you don't want too much in the front. And then, so the front part of this is gonna be just some braids, and then this is gonna be a wash and go, and I'm gonna see if I can stretch it a little bit. So that is what we're doing. Okay, so now that I have my part, I'm gonna go ahead and put, I think, either 3 or 4 braids on each side and kind of do it at a diagonal. So I went ahead and parted off the first braid, and now I'm gonna go in with the Supercurl. I'm just gonna use a little bit. I'm just gonna use a little bit of that. I'm gonna take a little bit and apply it to that section. The shrinkage though, the shrinkage is real. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add 3 more right here. So I went ahead and parted the rest. This is what the parts look like. Two down, 2 more to go. Okay, so I went ahead and did 5 on this side, so I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, but this is how it looks so far, and I'm excited. I might do some accessories on the end, maybe some beads or some gold clips. I don't know yet. I'll be back after this part is done. Okay guys, so this is what the front is looking like. I'm gonna do my edges at the end, and I'm gonna go ahead and use I think I'm gonna use the Supercurl for the back part too, because I really liked how easy it was to work with the braids. It had a lot of slip, and yeah, my hair feels very hydrated. So I don't think I've ever tried the Supercurl before, but it's definitely gonna be one of my favorites. I don't really normally use creams. I use like just like a leave-in for my wash and goes, but this cream is the bomb. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and style the back of my hair. I'm gonna be using the Supercurl again. Just apply it from root to ends. Then I'm gonna take my brush and detangle. And like I said before, this product has a lot of slip, so I love that for me. And I'm gonna try some of the curly magic with it, but I kind of just want to do it with the Supercurl, so we'll see how this works with the Supercurl. Okay. Seems like they're working well together. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like with the product applied. I only did one side just so you guys can see the difference and how defined my curls look on this side versus this side. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like with all the product applied. Okay guys, so this is the final result, and I am kind of obsessing over this look. I think it's so cute and different. I did go ahead and just add some beads on the end. You guys can do it without or with the beads. And I also think another cute style would be to just do just put some plaits in the back. That would be really cute, and put some beads on the end as well. I might do that after this hairstyle. But yeah, it is so cute. So again, I use Supercurl and I used Curly Magic. These products work amazing together. Make sure you guys go to CVS to pick them up. And if you want to order them online on UncleFunkysDaughter.com, make sure you use my code SUNKISSCurls for some money off. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.